Hello everyone, welcome to iFocus Tutorials. In this video, we will understand if-else and nested-if statements in C programming. These concepts are very important for logic building and are commonly asked in C interviews. By the end of this video, you will clearly know when and how to use them. What exactly is if statement? The if statement is used to execute code only when a condition is true. If the condition is false, the code inside the if block is skipped. In C, conditions are usually comparisons like greater than, less than, or equal to. In this simple program, we have declared a variable age with a value of 20. Using if statement, we are checking if age is greater than or equal to 18. If this condition is true, the message will be printed. Next is the if-else statement. The if-else statement is used when we want to perform one action if the condition is true and another action if it is false. Here, in this simple program, we have declared num variable with a value of 5. Using if statement, we are checking if the number is divisible by 2. If the condition is true, it will print even number. Otherwise, when the condition is false, it will print odd number. Next is the nested if statement. A nested if means placing one if statement inside another if statement. It is used when multiple conditions depend on each other. In this program, we have declared a variable marks with a value of 85. First, the program checks if the marks are greater than or equal to 40. If yes, then it checks whether the marks are above 75. Based on this, it prints either distinction or pass. If the first condition itself is false, then it will print a message fail. Beginners often make mistakes while using the if-else statement. Here, in the simple if statement, equal to is an assignment operator and not a comparison operator. This condition will always be true. So the correct code will be using the comparison operator here. So the program will check the condition and if it is true, then only it will print the message here. So let's quickly summarize what we learned today. We learned the if statement, if-else statement and nested if statements with examples. These concepts are extremely important for logic building and your interviews. If you found this video useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and check the description for more C interview content.